Shooting the JW2000 double barrel 12 gauge coach gun. I'm going to start out with birdshot, and then we're going to try buckshot. And a couple bird shots just for fun. See if I can get that spinner to move. Try both barrels at one time. Let's not do that again. That's it, I'm out of shells. What I got on there. Back. So that was shooting, first time shooting the JW2000 Century Arms International 12 gauge coach gun. Mine's pretty much stock, except I added a sling, which I love. I love having the sling on it. It's so easy to carry. I added a snap-on high-vis fiber optic. Other than that, it's an awesome gun. I love it. Do I regret my purchase at all? Not one bit. As you see, the second shot, I kind of flinched a little bit. I forgot to set my hammer. I forgot about them. I remembered on the first one, but it is a hammer gun, which is cool. And I wasn't sure if the safety went on automatically, which it does not. You have to set that. I'm hoping that those couple shots loosened it up a little bit. But it hasn't. It's still tight. Let's see here. This was the right barrel. The birdshot did pretty good. The buckshot did pretty good too. Got a pretty good splatter. A little high. It's real apparent on the left barrel. I went really high with the birdshot and the buckshot. I really don't have a lot of experience shooting double barrels, and I wasn't really sure where to aim. I think I was trying to aim down the barrel more than the center, but it was awesome. I love shooting this thing. Both barrels was awesome. Yeah, it kicked like a mule, but it wasn't that bad. It was manageable. The butt pad was very comfortable. I didn't feel it hardly at all on my shoulders. It just kicked, you know. very good gun to have. I don't regret to purchase one bit. Good gun. Had fun shooting it. I hope you liked watching it. If you're thinking about picking one up, I would. I like it. I don't know anybody who has one of these that doesn't like it. If you have one you don't like it, let me know why. If you have one you do love it, let me know why. I like your comments. Keep them respectful though, please. This is chambered in 3-inch, and I should have probably shot some 3-inch out of it, but I didn't want to waste any of them. Probably would kick a lot more. Can you imagine 2 3-inchers? Maybe next time. Anyway, that is the JW2000. I want to thank you for watching.